Alright, so it looks like I found a good wash here right in the barangay. This is Paliparan, close to the house. I had an appointment this morning with some other guys, but they no-showed. They say not available. So I came over here and talked to these guys, and they said, yeah, no problem. So they're doing they did a wash for me, and they're going to put a little wax on the paint. And so I'm going to bring the Voge back. We're going to do the second bike today because these guys are good. What's your name, sir?
Jason, sir.
Nathan?
Jason.
Jason. Okay. Kuya Jason's taking care of the bike today. And the good news is when I come back, I can get my hair cut too, because there's a good barbershop right next door. So on this wash, I got a new guy. But what's your name, sir? What is it?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. Okay. So I didn't notice. I got new crew. So the other guy's on the Ford. So Jonathan's going to take care of the Vogue. So the cool thing with this car wash is while the bike's getting a wash and a wax, we come in here, and I didn't get your name, sir.
Bong.
Paul?
Bong.
Bong.
Yeah.
Bong can cut my little bit of hair I have on my head. All right, let's do it.
Here.
So I'm chatting with Bong, right?
Yeah.
And he's a finisher for
The BOSS
Ironman 2020. Let's see, this one's, which one is this?
2020.
Oh, this is the first one, 2023. And this is his kit bag. And then here's the second one, 2024. And yeah, did it twice. Awesome. Two-time
Cool.
finisher. And then he was showing me his GoPro. What do you ride again, Bong Bong? What's your bike?
CB650, sir.
Honda CB650.
Yeah, this is my hat also from the BOSS Ironman.
Ah. All right. I may put you on YouTube. Congratulations. Two-time BOSS Ironman finisher.
Also.
I haven't done it yet, brother. Maybe. I hope. If it's still available. Maybe one day.